Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you the recipe of a vegan marble cake made up of chocolate and mango flavor. For the chocolate flavor, we need 1 cup of refined flour or maida, 1/3 cup of refined oil. My cup is of 200 ml measurement. Half a cup of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of coffee, 200 ml of water, uh, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and half teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and 1 teaspoon of vinegar. So let us begin with the recipe, then I will tell you of the mango cake. So first of all, I am taking 1 cup of maida, taking a sieve and putting the maida through it. Now in the hot water, 200 ml of hot water, I am adding 1 teaspoon of coffee powder. And I am keeping it aside. Now I am just stirring it. In it only I am putting half a cup of powdered sugar. This is a homemade powdered sugar, so we have to steep it so that you can see so much of sugar remains in it. So we can discard this sugar and use it normally afterward. Now in it I am putting half teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1.5 tablespoon of cocoa powder. And stir it again, keeping it aside. Now I am adding the coffee mixture into this. Little by little, mix it. Then I am adding 1/3 cup of oil in it. Now I am putting 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence in it. And I'm just mixing all these things. Now I will put the vinegar at last. Now for the mango cake, I have taken 2/3 of mango puree with 1 cup of water, and rest of the ingredients remains the same. 1 cup of maida, 1 cup of maida, half a cup of sugar, instead of cocoa powder I am putting corn flour, 1.5 tablespoon of corn flour, one teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and I am just going to stir all these ingredients together. All the dry ingredients. I'm putting a pinch of salt in it. You can also put a pinch of salt in the cocoa mixture also, and then stirring it. I'm adding the oil. Teaspoon of vinegar, and the mango puree, little by little, and make it a smooth paste. I have preheated my oven at 180 degree. Now what I am going to do is I am adding 1 spoon of vinegar in each of my batter. And mixing it. Batter should be lump free. For giving a marble effect. Pour some chocolate, then mango, then again chocolate, then again mango. I'm just stirring it with a toothpick and baking it for 1 hour. It has been cooled down completely. Now I will just cut and show you the texture of the cake. you can see a nice marble texture, and the cake is spongy also, and it is purely vegan cake, without any eggs or milk substitute. The cake is soft, and the texture is very good. You can see it is moist also. So if you do like my recipe, then please do like, subscribe my channel and Facebook page. I will be back with more veg, non-veg, baked and dessert recipe.